ColorBlitz is a powerful new medium petunia series from FloraPlant. We have simplified our petunia assortment for you, the customer, to give you the full range of colors needed in a medium petunia series so that you get nice, round, uniform habits and a great, consistent garden performance across all the colors. Some outstanding colors. We feel like we have the best yellow on the market in the new ColorBlitz series. This gorgeous fire color, and then look at some of these bi-colors like the blue stardust, the rose stardust. Some powerful bi-colors, powerful solid colors, and they all have uniform habits. Our competition cannot do that. They can deliver you a quality bi-color here or there, but when you match it up to the rest of the series with the solid colors, you're not going to get uniform habits across all your baskets. So you need to check out the ColorBlitz series, get some into your greenhouse, put it into a large hanging basket, maybe a 12-inch hanging basket, and check it out in your spring production. Thanks for tuning in to BFP TV.